This video is going to be about changing the seat pads on Ford Mondeo Mark IV. This one is year 2012. So first thing, you need to get the seat out. For that you need Torx key. This one is T50, and you need to dismount. You need to just slide the seat, and here you will see these bolts, two on the front, two at the back, so you need to unscrew these. Okay, the front two are out. Let's slide the seat all the way to the front and then repeat the process with the back bolts. These ones. Okay, so once you unscrew everything, just pull the seat out, and the last thing is this connector. So yeah, you need to unscrew this one and pull it out, and that's it. You can take the seat out after that. Okay, first thing, flip the seat and then just unscrew these two Torx bolts. If you have the manual versions of the seats, you need to take out the adjuster for the back. And then you can just pop the left and right cover out of the seat. Don't worry, you won't break it. Just, apply some pressure, and it will pop out. Now you can just unclip these seat tensioners from the left and the right side as well. And then you can unclip the tensioner from the back. Now, this one can be a little tricky. When I was doing it for the first time, it was really tricky to unclip it. But yeah, you just need to try it. It's hard to describe how to unclip it, but you just need to push it a lot to the front and down, and just twist it, and it will eventually pop out. Now you need to remove these two clips. They are a little hard to find, but yeah, there will be a lot of these after a while. So yeah, just do these two first. They are on the both sides, and then you can proceed to another step. Now put the seat back in the normal position, and then from the back you need to push the rear tensioner through the hole, like onto the seat pad. And here you will see first 3 clips which you need to unclip. I recommend doing it with a flat screwdriver. These ones are not that hard. And then you will have another 5 clips on the both sides, so just remove them. And then the last 3 clips. After that, it's almost completely removed. You just need to, you can just slide the front tensioner to the side, and that's it. The seat cover is removed. And then you can just repeat the process the opposite way, and yeah, by that you can install the new seat pad, as you can see here. Okay, so I just finished mine pad changing. Yeah, I just installed it into a car, and this is how it looks. It's not a brand new seat, but yeah, it's definitely better. So yeah, I just plugged in everything, and yeah, everything works. So putting back the new seat cover is definitely more tricky than getting the old one out. Yeah, so you just need to, you know, try it and be patient. I mean, yeah, it will definitely take more time. Yeah, but if your seat pad is in that condition, it's definitely worth it, and it's not that hard at all. So yeah, good luck if you are about to do it, and yeah, that's it. So see you guys next time.